And good morning. It's a bright, sunny, and terribly hot Monday morning. Today here at the farm we are going to pour concrete. Doesn't that sound fun? It's supposed to be about 94 degrees. We're going to pour the pad for my workshop, and we got some rental equipment over there on the thing. The power trowel. Got the bull float coming. We got another Skimco trowel, and we're gonna see if we can't pour pad today. So all together, we got one truck coming. Got 10 yards. I bought it's only the 3,500 pound PSI concrete, but I got it with the reinforcing fibers in it, rather than having to put wire mesh and all that down on it. Believe it or not, the concrete company just called and wanted to deliver my concrete. Nobody's here. So it's supposed to be at noon. She's calling at 10 o'clock saying I can have one there in half an hour. And I'm like, I got nobody to help pour. So she just bumped me down the list. You know, she just had an opportunity to send something out. So she was seeing if I was ready. And I just said, no, I'll just move us on down the list. We're fine. Just, you know, shoot for noon. So would have been nice to go ahead and get it done because it's going to get just atrociously hot and everything else or whatnot. But you know what? I'm not going to rush, and rushing causes errors and everything else. So we'll just shoot for the normal time. Well, round one is done. It was a little bit low, a little bit short. We made it work. Got the bull float across it first time. Gonna let it dry here a little bit. Hit it with the bull float again. Everybody's tuckered out. Well, we got the concrete poured. We've ran the bull float over it twice. That's the second pass with the bull float. Got to let it harden up some more before we use the power rotary screener. But all in all, came out great. It was about half a yard short, so it doesn't come to the top of the boards. But that's all right. I'll take it. It was all right. That was one full truck, which was 10 yards. Got the generator running. And just like the city folk we are, we've got the tent with a fan and an air conditioner. Of course, then again, it's pushing 95 degrees today. So nobody passed out. I came close from overexertion, but a little cold towel on the neck seemed to help out. We'll get some more video whenever we run the rotary screener. At this point, we had used the rotary screener for one full pass over the concrete slab. We then proceeded to getting the edge trowels out and putting a nice beveled edge around the outside. We also used hand trowels to smooth out any bumps and bad spots around the outside where the rotary screener couldn't reach. Altogether, before it was over with, I ended up making probably 4 passes with the rotary screener, and it put a very nice slick surface on the entire pad. Came out really nice. It doesn't hold water in hardly any spots. In this photo you can see dust all over it because we also used a diamond 4-inch grinder wheel to cut a cross pattern across the entire slab in both directions to inhibit cracking later on. Stay tuned for the next video and we'll get started building the barn.